let's invite po to those who want to follow Junior Party. Together with Jimmy, lalabas sa po siya ng ating party area. Thank you so much, everyone.
Transition na yung voice ko. Sa IG naman daw. I guess I was going to be treated in the meantime after a while. Ayan, lalabas